ladies, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how to make the only vinaigrette dressing you will ever need. It's quick, it's easy, and it'll stay in the refrigerator for up to about 2 weeks. The first thing we need to do is chop up our shallots, and we're going to do those in quite a fine dice. I'm going to start here. It's going to be a 2-step chop. And now, because we want them finely diced, because it's going into a dressing, we're going to mince them. Dice and mince. And now we're going to do the same process with the garlic. Now to make the dressing. Red wine vinegar with a little bit of white wine vinegar. Water, the shallots we just chopped, the garlic, 2 tablespoons of sugar, dry mustard, thyme, basil, oregano, salt, pepper, and salt. I'm going to mix that together real quick. And then I have sunflower oil with a little bit of olive oil added in, and I am going to drizzle that in as I mix, as I whisk. And it's that easy. Now we're going to transfer it to a squeeze bottle, which makes it so much easier to store in the refrigerator and use whenever you need it. My favorite use for this dressing is on a fresh salad, but it's also good for a lot of other different things. Vegetables, potatoes, just about anything you need a vinaigrette for. So there we go. It's that easy and that quick. Thanks so much for watching. Please like this video, subscribe, and enable notifications. And until next time, happy eating.